Hello everyone. Today I am here to going to teach you the topic useful plants. In this topic we will learn about plants that give us food, plants used for other things and the dried plants. In this lecture we will discuss about plants that give us food and the remaining parts we will discuss in next lecture. Okay? So let's start from the topic useful plant. Firstly, you have to know about that what is plant. The plant is a living thing that grows in the earth and has a stem, leaves and roots. Okay, so some plants are useful for us. We get many things from them. Most of our food comes from plants. Okay. For example, we get wood for a pencil. This one is come from plants. The paper, this one is also comes from plants, and the many medicine, oils and clothes, these also are comes from plants. Okay, so the next is प्लांट दैट गिव अस फूड. ओके, तो अभी जो ऐसे प्लांट के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे जो हमें क्या देते हैं, फूड प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, सो वी ईट द रूट्स ऑफ प्लांट लाइक दिस. हियर द कीवर्ड इज गिवन दैट इज रूट. द मीनिंग ऑफ रूट इज व्हाट? द रूट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट विच अटैच इट टू द ground. This one is root. Okay, here some roots images are given. You can see the first is turnip and the carrot and the beetroot. Okay, turnip that means what? Saljam. Carrot, gajar, beetroot, cucumber. Okay, these are the roots. We eat the roots of plant like this. Okay, we eat stem of plant like this. So what is stem? The main body or stalk of a plant or shrub is the stem. Okay, here some stems are given. First is ginger, potato and the sugarcane. These are the stems. We eat the stem of plant like this. Okay, ginger, adrak, potato, aloo, sugarcane, ganna. Okay, next is leaves. We eat the leaves of some plants. What is leaves? Leaf is the most important part of the plant because the leaves makes food or prepare food for the plant. So leaves are very important, and you can see the images of leaves. First is spinach, cabbage or mint. Okay, this one is mint, pudina. We eat the leaves of the spinach, cabbage or mint. Okay, next is fruits of plant like this. What is fruits? Fruits are the sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contain seed and can be eaten as food. Here some fruits are given: papaya, tomato and banana. Okay, these are the fruits. We eat the fruits of plants like this. Okay, and next is spices. Plant give us spices. The meaning of spices is what? Spices an aromatic or pungent vegetable substance used to flavor to food. Okay, here some examples are given like cardamom, cinnamon and the black pepper. Okay, these are the plants. A spice is a dried seed, fruit, root or bark of some plants. Spices add flavor to our food. Okay class, so cardamom means elaichi, cinnamon dalchini and black pepper kali mirch. Okay, these are the spices. The work of spices is to add flavor to our food. Okay, thank you class. For more detail, wait for another lecture. Thank you and have a